Hey guys, my name is Jason and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Techie Jason. This video is really gonna be an interesting video because in this video I'm gonna talk about the fixed staking concept by the Biswap DEX, wherein you can earn fixed amount of returns for the duration that you wish to stake your cryptos. So the topics that I wish to cover in this video is, first of all, we'll be having a look at the in-depth details about what Biswap DEX is. Then we'll be talking about the various kind of stakings that you can perform in the Biswap DEX, and at the end of the video I'll be live demonstrating the process on how you can perform the fixed staking. So without wasting any more time, let us dive straight into the video. Let us start the video with the question, what is Biswap? Biswap is a decentralized exchange on the Binance Smart Chain which has the lowest trade fees in the DeFi space with a fee of just 0.1%, and it is the first DEX on the BNB chain with a 3-type referral system. Talking about the types of staking, in Biswap you will find two different kind of staking pools. First among which is the launch pools that gives out BSW tokens as a reward for staking. If you do not already know, BSW is the own native token of the Biswap DEX, and the second type of staking is the fixed staking pool. What is fixed staking pool? Fixed staking allows you to stake a token and receive profits with a fixed APR in the same token. For example, if you stake wrapped BNB in the fixed staking pool, you will be earning the rewards in the same token, which is the wrapped BNB. Let me now list out the advantages of using the fixed staking pool. First among the advantage is the fixed APR. With the fixed staking, you can earn a fixed amount of returns for the duration that you wish to stake. Next among the advantage is that here there is no impermanent loss. Last but not the least, with the fixed staking pool, you can harvest your interest daily. Let us now talk about how to stake in the fixed staking pool. The very first thing that you need to do is just go to the link in the description below for Biswap. As soon as you open the link, you will be then asked to connect your wallet with the Biswap DEX. As you can see, my connection with the Biswap DEX has been successfully completed. In order to proceed with the fixed staking feature, we first need to click on the Earn tab, and after clicking on the Earn tab, we need to click on Fixed Staking. And as you can see over here, Biswap is the first DEX on the Binance Smart Chain who came up with the fixed staking feature. Various tokens that you can stake on Biswap includes wrapped BNB, Cardano, as well as the Polkadot, and the duration for which you can stake is of 30 days, 60 days, as well as 90 days. Let me now talk about the rules which you need to fulfill before we can actually proceed for fixed staking. The very first rule says, depending upon the duration which you wish to stake, you first need to hold a specific amount of BSW token in the holder pool. For an example, if you wish to participate in the fixed staking for 30 days, then you need to stake at least 200 BSW in the BSW holder pool. And if you wish to stake for 60 days, you need to hold at least 300 BSW tokens. And for 90 days, you need to have hold at least 400 BSW token in the BSW holder pool. Let me now talk about the steps on how to stake in the BSW holder pool. In order to do that, all you need to do is click on the Earn tab, and inside the launch pools, you will find the option for Stake BSW. And guys, here the very first pool is the holder pool in which we need to stake our tokens, and the APY that you will see over here is of 35%. So in order to start, we need to click on the Approve BSW and then simply approve this particular transaction. Let me now insert the amount of BSW that I wish to stake. I have inserted the amount as 200. As you can see, I right now do not have enough balance, so let me now talk about how to buy BSW token. In order to buy, you need to click on the trade and then choose the option exchange. The token with which I will be buying BSW is the BUSD token. Let me now connect my MetaMask with the Biswap DEX. In the next step, I will be inserting the amount of BSW I want to purchase and then click on the Approve BUSD. Once after the transaction is approved, let me click on the swap and then choose the option Confirm Swap. That's it. Our purchase for 200 BSW token is now successful. Once after you have enough balance, go back to holder pool, click on the addition button and then insert the amount. After that, click on the swap. You can see I have now successfully staked 200 BSW token in the holder pool. In this way, I have fulfilled the rule number 1. In the rule number 2, depending upon the duration, we need to stake a minimum amount of tokens. For example, if you wish to stake wrapped BNB for 30 days, you need to stake a minimum of 2 wrapped BNB. In the same way, if you wish to stake Cardano for 30 days, you need to stake a minimum of 600 Cardano tokens. And if you wish to stake Polkadot for 30 days, you need to stake a minimum of 20 DOT tokens. In this video, I would be staking Polkadot for a duration of 30 days. In order to proceed with staking, I would be clicking on the addition button and then insert the amount of tokens I wish to stake. After that, I'll be clicking on the confirm. This is the total number of tokens which I would be earning every single day. After that, I'll be clicking on the confirm. In this way, we have now successfully performed the fixed staking. Below you can see an harvest button which gets unlocked every day at 12 PM UTC timing, and it would allow you to withdraw the interest that you have earned for the day. So guys, I hope that you have gotten a deep understanding about what Biswap DEX is, as well as the process on how you can perform fixed staking. Still, if you got any doubts or queries regarding anything that I have talked in this particular video, you can comment down below. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye and see you in the next video.
It's not a game, it's a